How to make chicken patty. Burgers. Burgers are a popular picnic and summer treat, but they can get boring after a while. Why not spice them up with some chicken instead? You can make some delicious, simple chicken burgers using chicken breasts. If you are willing to put in a little time and effort, you can use ground chicken meat instead. Chicken patty. 1 pound, 450 grams, ground white meat chicken. 2 cups, 100 grams, coarse to fine fresh breadcrumbs, divided. Half a cup, 120 milliliters, low-fat milk. 3 tablespoons sweet onion, grated or finely minced. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper. 3/4 teaspoon coarse-grained salt. Cracked black pepper, to taste. 1 teaspoon olive oil. 4 to 5 burger buns. Ketchup and/or mayo, to taste. Hamburger toppings, cheese, tomato, onion, pickle, lettuce, etc. Serves 4 to 5. Step 1. Get some ground, white meat chicken. You can ask the butcher at your grocery to grind it for you, or you can grind it yourself in a food processor. If you wish to grind it yourself, be sure to trim away any excess fat and cartilage, and to cut the meat into 1 inch, 2.54 centimeters, cubes first. Use only boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You can use turkey breasts instead. Make sure that they are boneless and skinless as well. Step 2. Grind some bread in a food processor to make fresh bread crumbs. Pull the crust away from some French bread, tear it into chunks, and toss it into a food processor. Pulse the food processor until the bread is ground into fine crumbs. Keep doing this until you have enough to fill 2 cups, 100 grams. Step 3. Place the ground chicken into a large mixing bowl, then add the milk, half a cup, 25 grams, of breadcrumbs, onion, cayenne pepper, and salt. Add as much or as little cracked black pepper as you'd like. Save the remaining 1½ cup, 75 grams, of breadcrumbs for later. If you'd like, you can experiment with other herbs and spices as well. Step 4. Mix everything together using a rubber spatula. The mixture will be very wet, which is fine. Be careful not to overmix your burger meat, or it will be too dry once grilled. Step 5. Form the chicken mixture into 4 or 5 patties. Divide the mixture into little piles first, then use your hands to form them into large balls. Use the palm of your hands to flatten the balls slightly. If things get too sticky, you can work on top of a sheet of wax paper. Step 6. Coat the chicken patties with the remaining breadcrumbs. Place the breadcrumbs into a shallow dish. Then, working one at a time, press the patties, both sides, into the breadcrumbs. Set them aside as you finish them before moving on to the next one. Step 7. Heat the oil in a large skillet over medium heat. If you do not have any olive oil handy, you can use another type of cooking oil, such as canola or vegetable. Olive oil will give the chicken burgers more flavor, however. Step 8. Place the chicken patties in the skillet, and fry them for about 5 minutes on each side. They are ready when they turn golden and are completely cooked through. You can grill the chicken burgers in a grill pan. Be sure to lightly coat it with cooking spray first, however. Step 9. Grill the burger buns as the chicken patties are almost done cooking. Burger buns will taste much better grilled than straight from the bag. You will need to grill them about 1 minute per side. You can also bake burger buns in the oven for about 5 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit 177 degrees Celsius. Step 10. Assemble the burgers. Place a chicken burger onto the bottom half of a hamburger bun. Add your desired toppings, then finish off with some mayo, ketchup, or both. Cover with the top half of the bun. Here are some ideas for popular burger toppings. Lettuce. Sliced tomato. Sliced onion, separated into rings. Slicked pickle. Sliced cheese. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.